Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you for clicking on to today's video, and if you're coming back to my channel, welcome back you guys. Now, as you all have already read from today's title, in today's video I'm going to be attempting to do a challenge. Now, since it is that time of the year, spooky season, where we get to dress up, so I thought, why don't I just do a video on me recreating Paris Hilton's 2000s tracksuit outfit. Now, this is something that I have never done on my channel before, and Paris Hilton, of course, she is fabulous. I honestly love her. I always used to look up to her outfits, and especially her Juicy Couture tracksuit outfit. Honestly, I thought and recreate her 2000s tracksuit outfit. I hope you guys do enjoy watching today's video. So here is the tracksuit that I'm going to be wearing. It's not a Juicy Couture tracksuit. It's pretty similar to the one that she has, except her has, I guess, a bit of glitter onto it, and this one's just a plain hot pink colored tracksuit. It looks quite similar. And to find the wig, I did end up going to a party city that was close by to my house, but unfortunately I was not able to find a blonde wig that really went well with the kind of hair Paris Hilton has. So I pretty much ended up stopping by a dollar store and eventually got a wig that worked pretty well, and this is the one. And to complete the look, I'm pretty much gonna throw in these white shades, grab a pair of sneakers, and of course grab a purse, of course, to match up with the outfit. And here is the before look, before I transform myself into Paris Hilton. That's hot. So here is my look, you guys. As you can see, I'm wearing these white shades I ended up wearing. So I did no sort of eye makeup, and then I found this blonde wig, got this tracksuit on, and then a t-shirt, of course, something similar that she has. And then I also have one of these black bags. I've actually seen her with a Chanel bag that's also black, but you know, it's in the budget, so yeah. Sneakers. They're quite similar to the ones that she's wearing in one of these pictures here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Honestly, you guys can try this yourself. It's honestly a super easy, fun costume that you can make for Halloween, of course. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys want to attempt doing this costume, of course, yourself, don't forget to tag me, of course. And honestly, this is something, again, that I've never done before on my channel, and especially because it's a Halloween special, I'm going to be actually keeping you guys updated on any other Halloween-based videos that I'm going to be making, which is coming up really soon. This whole October, I'm just going to be making all Halloween videos, so do stay tuned. For all my video updates, you guys can check out me on Instagram. My Instagram is provided down in my description below, _theamanpreetmatharu, just down here. And also, if you guys want to check out my other DIY videos, arts and craft videos, you guys can check out. All my videos are in the description box below. And today's video shout out goes to Michelle. Shout out to you. And don't forget to give this video a big like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a post. And I will see you guys in my next video, which is coming up in a couple days, so do stay tuned. It is going to be something similar to the video of today. Take care, guys. Stay safe and have a spooky, fabulous day.